Hello, my name is Steve Schofield. I'm the Director and Chief Executive of the British Pump Manufacturers Association. Most people do not realise the importance of liquid pumps, where they are used and why. And the reality is, they don't need to know, it is something that just happens. In the majority of cases, if you wish to move a liquid from A to B, then a pump will need to be used. In 2014, the pump industry turnover globally was around 42 billion US dollars, with a projected growth rate of 5% per year up to 2020. And current forecasts conclude that this will increase many years above 2020. Within the pump industry, many pump companies are still looking to increase their growth at greater than the 5%. And many global acquisitions are still occurring. Across the globe, in many countries, they are focused on electricity consumed by liquid pumps, and it is now estimated that the total electricity consumption around the world is about 17,000 terawatts, with pumps being the largest consumer of motor electricity with an estimated consumption of 1,200 terawatts. This equates to approximately 7% of the total world's electricity demand. To put this into perspective, a typical power station will consume between 8 and 10 terawatts. So at least 120 power stations are required to ensure pumps keep pumping. Inevitably, this high electricity consumption has put a spotlight on the pump industry, certainly over the last 15 years. This focus, particularly across Europe and now in the USA, has led to legislation which has or is being introduced. In Europe alone, we are dealing with the energy related products legislation as well as the Energy Efficiency Directive, to name just two. While legislation can be tough on industry, it can also offer business opportunities. The British Pump Manufacturers Limited, or more usually known as the BPMA, is a not-for-profit trade association representing the interests of pump and Irish suppliers of liquid pumps and pumping equipment. BPMA members are the leading companies in the field of pumping technology, with a commitment to produce quality and development, value for money, sustainability, efficiency, safety and after-sales service. The pump industry in the UK employs over 10,000 people with a turnover in excess of 1 billion US dollars and is still a net exporter for the UK economy. Europump, the Federation of the European National Associations, of which the BPMA is a member, has developed its own strategy to offer a response to government bodies and non-government bodies. This strategy includes a product approach, which looks at improving the efficiencies of the wet end of the pump, the extended product approach, which looks at controlling pumps either by speed variation or by other means, and then finally the systems approach, which looks at energy related savings within the installed base of pumps. The BPMA's mission is to influence the pump sector business environment in the interest of its members' competitiveness and sustainability, and to increase the sector awareness by providing technical support and pump technology training to its members, to operators and to purchasers of pumping equipment. And we will constantly welcome new members to our association, which in 2016 will celebrate its 75th anniversary. Amongst other events in 2016, we will be holding a 75th anniversary celebration gala dinner, which will be open to all our global friends, and details will no doubt be available through the BPMA, Touchwave Media and of course World Pumps. Thank you, Steve Schofield, BPMA.